Hey guys, Sander here. Welcome back to a brand new video. And today we are playing some Roblox. Roblox. Alright. So we are going to be playing Phantom Forces. I know I'm trash, but still. You got me. So you can show my good. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. So right now, I'm joining the game. And what's the name? Oh. So yeah, continue. And time to deploy. Like my gun. Guys, I'm back. Turns out Phantom Forces wasn't working, so we're gonna play some bleach. Let's go to customize. Yes. I'm a Soul Reaper always. No. Nah, you good. Never. No. Me. No. Nah. Yeah, done. Yeah. Let's go with it. Alright, so what should we make? Let's make it black. Yeah, done. That's good. Doing that. You have seen a new start all that. No. Yeah. Just did real quick. So you go. I'm back, guys. Sorry for the mishap. Yeah. I like that here. This is not his hair. Oh, yeah, that hair. That's fine. That's the choose. Hold up, guys. Let's do something real quick. Oh my god. Okay. Yes. And now I'm still at 1. Alright, guys. I am here. Like my shirt? Yeah, I know you like it. Let's go with these hollows, boy. They can't guard me. Boy, come at me. Never mind. Forgive me. 5, 6, 12. Gotta get me. Wow, I can't wait. Bring the pasta. One hand, follow here. One element, sweeping steel. Guard. E. Oh, okay. Done do. Yeah, I'm about to. I don't know. Oh, so. And do so, please. Just a prank. Come on. Yeah, that's cool. No skill. Oh, you saw that. So, let's go. Oh. game. Oh. The test. I'm sure it takes some for me to one shot for me to kill him. Guess you. Alright, guys. And this I think. See, now, when you don't play a game, your friends say, oh, I can't play, I'm doing something else, or, oh, I don't give a fudge what you were doing. I don't care. By the way, guys, have any of you ever wanted to be a assassin? I'm gonna happen. Right here, right now. Let's go.